We'll guide you through how to create task templates in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the project where you want to create a task template. Once you're in the project, look for the Tasks section. Here, you'll see all your existing tasks. To create a new task that will become a template, click on the Add Task button. Give your task a clear and descriptive title that reflects its purpose. After naming your task, you'll want to fill in the details. Click on the task to open its details pane. Here, you can add a description, assign it to a team member, set a due date, and add any necessary subtasks. It's important to think about what information will be useful for tasks that will use this template in the future. Once you've added all the necessary details to your task, look for the 3 dots or More Actions menu on the task's detail pane. Click on it and select Create Template from the drop-down menu. This option will save the task as a template. Now, whenever you need to use this task template, you can go to the Templates section in the project and select your template to create a new task based on it. This saves you a lot of time as you won't have to re-enter the details each time. Remember, you can always edit the template later if the task requirements change. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.